Alright, here we go. Another 100-degree plus day. We're going to open up the building and see what it's like in there. Let's see what we got. Oh my lord. Oh, well, that's hot. Had a lot going on this summer, right? And one of those things, well, beginning of the summer, is well, moved in a house where my crawling area used to be, and about a week after the house was moved in, the biggest tree in my yard decided to just fall over. Let me show that to you. Here's the tree. Well, I guess you could say I got 2/3 of it cut up. It was huge. I mean, it was all the way out to about here. You see the fire pit over there? It was completely covered, the fire pit. So this is I got this here all cut up and torn down. Right there. You can see the house right there. Alright, so this is what I got left. There's a lot of work going into this. It's my saw is too small. I'm working on it best I can. I got a lot accomplished before well, the temperatures reached triple digits. When it got to that point, I just decided, nah, I ain't messing with it. Not gonna do it until it cools off. With all that going on, I have not had much time to do any filming for the cars, because in the building it's like, well, as I say, for nearly a month now it's been like triple digits, and it's been up as high as 107. So yeah, it's pretty damn hot. Like right now, this is what we got going on here. Alright, well, I did get something done in here. We got the new top on the bench, which I think turned out really well. It's basically a peel and stick tile. So if I damage one of them, I can just go ahead and peel it up, put another one down. Alright. So, what needs to happen here, if I'm going to keep working out in this building, is I need to take care of this. You can see there's no insulation up in here. And if I go grab my infrared thermal, so it's showing 90 at the roof right now. Last week it was showing 140 degrees. So the plan is this: getting all this stuff that's behind my toolbox here is coming out. All right. I'm gonna insulate the roof with one of them radiant heat barrier things. So I think that'll work out pretty good. I'm gonna put up some new lights, and then get all my electrical taken care of, so you know we can be back in business. Right now it is unbearable. In the heat of the summer, it gets so flipping hot in here, and in the winter I can't warm it up. Probably because all the heat's going up here, right? I did buy an AC unit, but it cannot keep up with the heat coming through the roof. I could do a whole lot more if I was a lot more comfortable in here, right? I'm sure you know what I mean. Imagine working in an office and there's no AC or no heat, right? Won't be very comfortable. Can't really get a lot done. So the goal here is to finish the installation, electrical, new lights by my birthday, which is like 6th of December. So that could be my 60th birthday party gift to myself. So in the meantime, I'm gonna hope that it cools down a little bit, so when it does, we can get outside we're gonna work on some full-size stuff. Which kind of brings me to another. So I had considered making a separate channel just for the full-size stuff, but in my experience watching other channels and them going off and doing a second channel is that second channel never really gets the attention that it needs to in order to succeed. So I decided to stick with RC Mechanic channel like you're watching right now, but when I'm working on the full-size stuff, we're going to call it the RC Mechanic Garage Edition. Alright, so if you have any comments on anything I have just told you, I know this isn't a typical video. If you have any insight as to the installation, I have not ordered it yet, or anything like that, feel free, leave a comment. You know, I'll get back to you. If you have a preference, do you like it when I work on the full-size stuff? I've been a mechanic for well over 35 years, so I never really specialized in anything. I just, it broke. Oh, okay, I guess I'll go fix it. And that's what we do here, right? So, anyway, this is RC Mechanic. I just want to say thank you to all you subscribers who have stuck with me during this dry period of posting videos. And if any of you guys out there who have not subscribed want to see what's going to be coming up, please feel free to subscribe. Make sure to click that notification bell, so you can see all content coming up. Feel free to go watch the other 230-ish videos I have going on. Alright? So, with that, I'm just going to say thank you very much for being here. I really appreciate it. If there's one thing in the world I really enjoy doing right now, it's this. Okay? I just want to thank you all for being here and sticking with me. And like I said, make sure to subscribe so you can be notified of anything coming up. There should be some more content coming. It's just that it's so dang hot. Reason why it's down a little bit right now because the sun's going down. It's not beating down on the roof. So, yeah. Alright, this is RC Mechanic. Keep building, keep fixing, fabricating, create. That's what it's all about. Thank you.